Buckle up, folks, because Sony has just dropped a monster of a sensor that's making the camera world go, wait, what? Meet the Sony IMX927, a square CMOS sensor that's packing some jaw-dropping specs and shaking things up big time. If you thought sensors had hit their peak, oh no, Sony's here and saying, think again. First off, let's talk resolution. This beast rocks a massive 10,272 by 10,272 pixels, which translates to a mind-blowing 105 effective megapixels. Yeah, you heard that right. 105 MP in a square format. That's not just high resolution, that's zoom in until you see someone's soul level of detail. Oh yeah. Now, here comes the speed flex. The IMX927 can crank up to 113 frames per second at 8-bit and 73 frames per second at 12-bit color depth. Imagine capturing over 100 full 105 megapixel frames in a single second. Sports photographers everywhere are screaming, "Where was this during the World Cup?" And let's not forget the global shutter. This means no more ugly rolling shutter wobble. Everything gets captured at once. That's a huge yes, thank you moment for anyone who's ever shot fast-moving action or tried to film machinery without making it look like jelly. Size-wise, we're looking at a 39.7mm diagonal, which is just a tad smaller than full frame. Not quite your everyday mirrorless camera sensor, but trust me, it's still a beast. Oh, and did I mention it comes in two flavors? A color version with a Bayer filter and a monochrome version for extra light sensitivity. Low-light shooters, rejoice. Sony also baked in an HDR function that boosts dynamic range without killing your frame rate. That's a big, happy dance moment. No compromise between speed and quality. But here's the twist. This sensor is primarily for industrial and machine vision applications. Yeah, it's designed for automated mass production systems, but don't be shocked if it sneaks into high-end video cameras.
History shows us that when Sony makes something this powerful, the creative world eventually finds a way to get its hands on it. And Sony didn't stop there. They've got crop siblings in the family. The IMX927, 105 megapixels, 56 frames per second. The IMX298, 64 megapixels, 138 frames per second. And the IMX929, 51 megapixels, 225 frames per second. Oh wow, it's like a buffet of high-speed, high-res goodness. So what's the verdict? The IMX927 isn't just a sensor, it's a statement. Sony is screaming, "We own the future of imaging." And honestly, they're not wrong. Buckle up, because this could be the beginning of a whole new era of cameras, both industrial and creative. Oh yeah, bring it on.
Buckle up, folks, because the DJI Action 6 is crashing into 2025 with a bang. This isn't just any upgrade. It's the hotly anticipated successor to the Action 5 Pro. And trust me, this thing is gearing up to flip the action camera world upside down. So what's the scoop? Well, we've got an exclusive leak. Yep, real tester images. They show the Action 6 pairing up with a smartwatch. Yes, DJI is leveling up. On the smartwatch screen, it literally flashes Osmo Action 6 during pairing. Oh snap, things just got interesting. Now, imagine this. You're bombing down a trail, heart pounding, sweat dripping, and boom, you glance at your wrist. The smartwatch is now your action cam's sidekick. Start/stop recording? Easy. Switch modes? Done. And here's the kicker. All your GPS, heart rate, oxygen levels, and speed data, swoosh, seamlessly synced into your footage in real time. Talk about next-level storytelling. Ha ha ha. Bluetooth's doing all the heavy lifting here, keeping things connected on the fly. The headline feature is its massive 1-inch sensor. delivering an incredible 13.5 stops of dynamic range.
Oh, that's fire!
On top of that, video shooters are in for a treat. 8K at 30 frames per second, 5.3K at 60 frames per second, and buttery smooth 4K at 120 frames per second slow motion. DJI leaker Mauro Tandoi posted about DJI Osmo Action 6. He said that the DJI Action 6 model AC006 is compatible with the DJI 30-watt USB-C charger and works in temperatures from -20 degrees to 45 degrees. It offers Wi-Fi with 802.11 ABGN/AC/AX protocols across multiple frequency bands and supports Bluetooth 5.1 with reliable 2.4 GHz connectivity.
DJI has followed a consistent pattern with its action camera launches, typically arriving in late summer to early fall. The Osmo Action 1 debuted in September 2022, followed by the Osmo Action 4 in August 2023, and then the Osmo Action 5 Pro in September 2024. Given this steady cycle, the most likely launch window for the Osmo Action 6 falls between August and October 2025. Adding fuel to the fire, FCC filings popped up in early 2025 alongside supply chain leaks and prototype photos. All signs point to an announcement as early as late August or September 2025. So yes, mark your calendars, because this summer could be the one where DJI redefines action cameras yet again.
These aren't your typical fuzzy low-res leaks either. The photos look sharp, clean, and confident, almost like DJI is teasing us on purpose. Out of nowhere. Can you believe it? These images popped up just as DJI's 180-day FCC confidentiality period expired, a classic sign that something official is brewing behind the scenes. While DJI hasn't said a single word publicly, the visuals scream volumes. From what we can see, the Osmo Action 6 is sticking to the dual screen setup we've come to love. One screen on the back, one on the front. Oh yeah, that's exactly what we want. That design has always been a favorite with vloggers and adventurers who want to stay perfectly in frame without flipping the camera around. That's it. But here's the kicker. What's really got everyone buzzing is the mysterious pill-shaped component tucked right beneath the front screen. Wait, what? It's not a speaker, it's not a button, or at least not one we recognize. Speculation is already running wild. Could it be a new sensor? Maybe some kind of gesture control pad? Or something totally fresh we haven't seen before in an action cam? I didn't see that coming. The suspense is real, and honestly, that unknown element just adds to the hype. Haha! This is getting good. Design-wise, the Osmo Action 6 looks a lot like the Action 5 Pro, which isn't a bad thing at all. That model was praised for its rugged build and crystal clear visuals, but there are subtle changes, refinements maybe, that suggest DJI isn't just copy-pasting here. Those small tweaks could mean big upgrades, especially for grip, weight, or even thermal control. Come on now, DJI, this better be fire. Because these little details can make a huge difference. Even more interestingly, recent FCC filings confirm two different battery sizes, 1,770 mAh and 1,500 mAh. Are you serious? This strongly hints at a dual model release, likely a standard and a pro version, something DJI has done before. Smart move.